I'm going to take a grater and I'm going to do this not as fine as you can, but like a next to the smallest grate. And I'm going to grate that right in. It's better to have a microplaner. You've seen those, they're like designed for this, but this is sufficient. Just take the ginger off, and that should be enough. You can mix it around. And to this we'll add just a little bit of cayenne pepper, just a couple of dashes, and just a little bit of salt, not much. And we can check this for taste. It's just about right. So I'm going to put this on the stove and gently, really gently, slowly reduce it. I'm just going to put it on low because I don't want it super thick. And I want to keep some of the freshness to the juice. Just want to thicken it a little bit.